So earlier last week, one of the organizations that I worked with asked me to create an email signature for their emails so that when they send out official emails, the email signature would go along with it. So at first, I wasn't really clear about what it means, but when I went on to do my research, I understood what it meant. And I believe that this would be beneficial to everyone out here. And this is why I decided to come share this video. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, you're going to be learning how to create an email signature in Gmail. What this means is that every email you send will have a text written beneath with information about yourself or your brand. It could be your brand name, your business phone number, your business address, your email address, your website, and your logo, or even more information about yourself or your brand. The benefit for you and your brand is that the people who receive your emails become accustomed to this information. For instance, they can check out your website and can even become leads for buying customers. Note that you don't necessarily need an email marketing software or tool to achieve this. You don't need send polls. You don't need MailChimp, all of those email marketing softwares, right? You can actually do it with your Gmail account, and that's what I'm going to be showing you. But before we proceed, if you are a returning subscriber, glad you're here and shout out to you. And if you're new to this channel, you're welcome. This is Smart Skills Up TV, where we share information on how to make money online and also how to utilize tools and platforms on the internet to grow your business. So the first thing you want to do before you actually go into your Gmail account to set up the signature is to write out what you want to use, the information you want to include as your email signature, so that you won't go there and be at a loss for what you want to do, right? For instance, here is mine. These are the information I'm putting out: my name, my phone number, my email address. Then I'm going to be putting the links to my social media accounts, all right, and then my address, not my full address, but just the address of where I do business from, all right. So I'm going to copy this and then I'll go into my Gmail account, and then you're going to be watching me as I do this. So once you're in your Gmail account, navigate to your settings, right? Click on the settings icon and then click on see all settings. So it's going to bring you here. So what you're going to do next is to scroll down until you see email signature, all right? So just keep on scrolling down. Keep on scrolling down and be taking note of all these other features here until you see email signature. Okay, great. So here is where we have signatures, right? So I'll click on create new because I don't already have any signature on this account. So I'll click on create new, and then it's going to ask me to name the email signature. So I'm going to name it anything random. Maybe I'll just name it for official use. All right, official use. And then I'll click on create. Then on this space is where I'm going to have to type in what I have already copied or what I've already written out. So I'll just paste it right here. So you're going to be having my name, my phone number, just like I've written. Then I can actually use all of these features to edit the text. So for instance, if I want to bold any part of this text, I can just highlight it and click the bold, then the email also, more like giving it a heading, right? Then for these socials, I've already copied out the link to my social media account somewhere. So I'm just going to copy it and then link them in. All right. So for Facebook, all I just need to do is to highlight Facebook, right? Highlight it and then come to where you have the link. This is the link icon here. I'll click on it, and then it's going to pop up this window and ask me to enter the URL of where I want to send people to. So what I'm just going to do is to copy the URL from where I already pasted it. So I already have the Facebook copied out. So I'll just copy it, and then I'll come back to the settings, and then I'll paste it in here. Then I'll click on OK. So you'd see that it's going to be highlighted in blue. All right. So you can see it's highlighted now. So I'll do the same thing for Instagram. Okay, then I'll come to the link icon I'll go back to where I've written out my Instagram handle link, and then I'll copy it and I'll paste it also. Then lastly, I'll also do the same thing for LinkedIn. Okay. All right. So once I'm done, I'll just scroll down until the end and then click on save. But we are not done yet. So after you've written out everything you want to enter in as the information for your email signature, remember you can also add, you can also add a logo. So let's say for instance that I want to add a logo. So maybe I want to add it above this information. I'll just put my cursor above the information and then I'll click on photos or insert image, all right? Then it's going to redirect me to either upload it from my drive or to upload it from my system directly. So I'll just click on select a file from my device. Though I don't have my logo here, and basically I can't access it because it's somewhere way down, so I won't be using that. All right. And besides, the logo is not exactly my personal brand logo, it's actually my business logo. So I don't actually have a logo for my personal brand yet. All right. But let's say for you that you already have your logo saved, all you just need to do is to take it out, take it. Let's say for instance, this is my logo. I'll just click on it and then I'll click on open. All right. Then it's going to upload and let's see what happens next. All right. So it's going to just be here. Let's see. So you can see now that the logo has been inserted. So one of the things you can do is to reduce the size of this logo. All right. Because you would find out that when you send out emails, you just like it's very bold and you may not actually like it. So you can reduce it to small, medium, large, original size. So let me say I want to use medium. All right. So that reduces it and I think it's better. All right. So it's better. Then you can just shift this information. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay. Okay, great. So your logo has been taken off because I don't even know what I pressed. Okay, so once you're done, there is something else we need to do. Then here we have signature default. So now here it says for new email use, like when you want to send emails, right? You're going to decide whether you want to use the signature the signature you've just created now for emails you're sending out. So remember that we named this signature for official use. So I'm going to say that for new emails I'm going to be using the email I've just created, which I named for official use. All right. Then on reply or forward use, now this is asking you to select whether you want this email to whether you want this signature to be showing whenever you reply to emails or whenever you forward emails or whenever emails are forwarded to you. But I don't want that to actually be the case. All right. So I'll just leave it on no signature. All right. So you can actually create as many signatures as possible. And then whenever you want to send out emails, you now have to decide which of them you actually want to use, for the different types of emails you want to send. All right. So here it says insert signature before quoted text in replies and remove the dashed line that precedes it. Just leave it at this. All right. So once we are satisfied with everything we've done here, just scroll down and then click on save changes. All right. And that's going to now save the changes to your Gmail settings so that whenever you send out emails, this is going to appear automatically. All right. So let's say, for instance, I'm going to be sending an email. I'm going to be sending a text email. So you can see now that this is what happens, right? So whenever I'm sending an email out, this is what is going to be showing. And when the person receives it, they receive all of this information below or beneath the email that they are receiving from me. So out of curiosity, the person can just click on my social media links and then they can follow me and see the thing that I'm up to. All right. So this is why this is actually important. It just makes your email correspondence, or it makes your email communications more effective and more, it just gives you a credibility boost and makes you look more professional. All right. So that is how to create email signatures in your Gmail account. I believe you've gotten value from this tutorial. please share it with people in your network whom you believe this will benefit, and also give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section. And don't also forget to subscribe to my channel if you've not already done that already. Thank you very much for staying on to the end, and I'll see you in the next video.